Alright guys, so we're going to have a look at the arrow central symmetry question. So it's a bit trickier, so that's why I said I'd just show you what way you should be doing it. Now I don't have my T-square because I can't fit it in with the visualizer, so I'm just using my sliding set squares, but you'll be using your T-square. So to start this off, the arrow it tells me there it has angles of 30 degrees. So 30 degrees going up this way and 30 degrees going this way. So I'm going to start off first and give myself a point. So I'm going to draw those lines at 30 degrees. So you'll be using your T-square, putting your 30 degree set square sitting on your T-square, drawing the line 30 degrees. And then I have to go the other way. So using your T-square again. I'm just working off the bottom of the page, yeah. Back that way. Okay, now so you can start measuring. So we have a width here of 24. Measure over. Make sure you're measuring on the line. Mark it off. And you're going to go with 30 degrees again. So I'm going to go up 70 now, it's telling me. 70. So I'm using my sliding set squares here. Sorry. So you're going to go across at 30 degrees again. Like that. And we're measuring out 24 each side. So 24 and 24. Now to do this bit, this is just a horizontal and vertical line. So you're going to put your 60-30 sitting on your T-square, and at that point draw a long light line straight up. And straight over like that as well. So that gives you your arrow. So you can heavy that in. So there's your arrow. So now we need our point of our point O for our central symmetry. So it's telling me to measure down 35. So we'll measure down 35 from there. And it goes straight down, a vertical line straight down. And I also need to measure down 12. So measure down 12 millimeters. That gives me a center point O. Alright, and so now I just start bringing my points through. So hopefully I have enough space. I went a little bit close to the bottom. So this will be the furthest point away. So I bring that through. I think I will have enough place for this now. Compass on point O, open out to the point. And swing it around. So I'm just about inside the page there. So maybe you should keep yours up a little bit more up the page. Through point O. Take your distance. Mark it off. And I'll get this other side here. Through point O. Take your distance, mark it off. Right, so if it saves confusion, if you want to just heavy in what you have there so far, just so you don't have too many points and you can't remember exactly where they all go. So I'm just going to heavy in, so that's the kind of the head of the arrow. Like that. Now I'll continue bringing my points over. So I'll just bring these two. Through. Get the compass. And they're going straight through each other, which is a good sign. And then just these two other points. And join it up. So that's the arrow transferred over through central symmetry. Whatever way this logo is done, they just join up the points then. And then there goes one straight down there. Make sure you use your, make sure it's a vertical line, so you'll be using your T-square for that. Bring it straight down, and this one goes straight up. And that's your logo completed. So that's comes out pretty cool when it's finished. Alright.